Okay, so we're going to do dictionary mode, which is the mode at the top there with the little A to Z icon. So just tap on the mode and it will wait for, oh, that was quite quick. So it was waiting for fluctuations to occur before giving us a readout. And it's in the standard prompt mode, which means it will give us between 1 to 5 words. How many words it spits out is random, and a number at the bottom as well. So it's given us gouge and hour. So these will now just sit here and wait because it's in prompt mode, so it will wait for you to prompt the screen to recheck for any further fluctuations before giving you another readout. So all of these words are recorded onto the history as well, which you can access from the main home page. So I'm going to swipe down to get it to go again. So it's waiting again for another fluctuation to occur. It's a bit slower this time, not so much happening. Oh, dismiss craziness, 3152. So I can either go again by swiping down, or I can go back to the home page by swiping up.